Today we're going to use a few of my favorite things this time of year. We've got some awesome sweet corn, so we're going to make a great sweet corn soup with spicy marinated blue crab from Louisiana using Tony Chachere's. All right, we're going to jump right in here. We're making a great soup today. It's a sweet corn soup. In that pot, I'm going to start off with some potatoes, Yukon Gold potatoes, some shallots, a touch of garlic. We're going to make a nice little spicy crab salad, and some fresh chanterelle mushrooms that are also foraged here in Louisiana. Our secret ingredient is our Tony Chachere's here. That adds the right amount of bold flavor and salt for a perfect balance. So we're gonna saute this just for a couple of minutes until things start getting tender. Gonna add some fresh thyme. Gonna add some butter for richness. Now we're gonna add some chicken stock. You can make it vegan if you wanted to use vegetable stock, whatever you feel like. It's a very easy recipe to follow, just a few ingredients and a ton of flavor. We're gonna add about 2 cups of heavy cream. We're gonna bring this up to a boil and we're gonna simmer it for about 30 minutes, just until the potatoes are tender. While that's simmering, we're gonna make up our spicy crab salad. Just gonna peel a shallot. We're gonna add some of our chopped garlic. We're gonna add our shallot. Our lightly roasted chanterelle mushrooms. I like to add some fresh chives, a touch of lemon juice, using my chef measuring spoon here. About 2 teaspoons of Tony's original Creole seasoning. Dash of olive oil, and you don't want to break up those lumps of crab meat, you just want to fold this together. That's beautiful to look at also. Wow, a lot of Louisiana in there. It's going to be excellent. You know, with Tony's, you don't need to add salt and pepper. It's got everything you need in there. It's got the spice, the salt, everything you really need. It's a complete seasoning. Give one a taste. Perfect. Another great thing about this soup is it can be served chilled as well. Go ahead and give this a blend. Wow. Let's go ahead and plate this dish up, how about? Into our bowl, add a generous amount of our soup. And right on top of that is our spicy crab and chanterelle mushroom salad. And just for a little extra kick, pop a little Tony's right on top. There you have it.